This tutorial covers JavaFX properties with bindings. Create a new project. Add the packages in front of FXML documents. Open Scene Builder. Then I'm going to add 3 text fields with 1 slider. I don't need a label, so I'll remove it. For now, I'll keep the button. So let me add 3 text fields. And 1 slider. First text field, I will call it as TF number 1. And the second text field, TF number 2. That depends on number 1 input. And TF number 3. That depends on slider value. For button, I will leave it as it is. For slider, SLD num3. Save it and make a new controller. Okay, I'll remove the label on line number 38. Okay, there are 2 bindings. One is unidirectional binding and then bidirectional binding. The first one, I will create a unidirectional binding between text field number 1 and 2. It means that TF num1 value depends on TF number 2 property. Again, text field deal with the string value, so property name is text property. Clean and build. Let's see how it works. So if we try to type values on text field number 1, it doesn't do anything. That depends on text field number 2. So 10 means both text fields show you exactly the same number. It means TF num1 value depends on property of TF number 2. Okay, let's move to bidirectional bindings between TF num3 and slider num3. It means that either you change text field value in TF num3 or slider, both numbers will appear exactly the same. Let me put a bit of explanations to make it clear. Same text property. Then we are looking at bidirectional with the slider num3. Then value property. Then number format class with get number instance. So sort text field value is depends on slider property. Also vice versa. Slider value is based on depends on text field number 3. Okay, for slider, go to properties. Let me tick marks, tick labels. So that will be visible. Okay, let's try. So this time use a slider. Actual value in TF3 change, or you can change vice versa. Again, text field number 1 is depends on text field 2. I think there's a typo TF number 3 and then slide number 3 as well. Then slide number 3 property changes. Then TF number 2 property changes to make it clear. I think that's all. Thank you.